Clients, unfortunately, will judge, and they judge based upon your digital footprint. Credibility is key, and oftentimes your address is an indication of that credibility. Having a business home address does more than just affect your credibility, but it affects your privacy. It can affect your liability. It can affect all kinds of things. Gmail.com instantly, in the minds of people that you are asking to give you money, it diminishes your credibility. Professionalism equals trust, which ultimately equals more yeses. Hey there, my loves. Welcome back. It's me, CP, again. And today we're going to be talking about one of the things that I think really does affect a lot of newer entrepreneurs and even entrepreneurs who've been doing this damn thing for a while. And that is, I work from home. My business is based out of my home, which is totally fine. But when you are a consultant, a coach, a service provider, an expert-based business owner, you really do need to have an outside impression that gives your clients the idea that you are a professional, even if your office is on your kitchen table or your dining room table or your kid's old room. And so I want to start out by talking about why this perception matters. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time here because I'm sure you're intelligent enough to know why this perception matters. But ultimately, you are the real deal, right? You are. But your business needs to look like it's the real deal too. It does matter. Clients, unfortunately, will judge, and they judge based upon your digital footprint. Most likely in 2025, they are checking out your website, they are Googling you, they are looking online, they're checking out your social media profiles to see if you are legit, to see if they can really count on you to solve their problems. And along those digital footprints, you have to make sure that you are presenting yourself as having a professional image. And that includes your address, that includes where you are conducting business from. Professionalism as a expert-based provider equals trust, which ultimately equals more yeses, because that's really the name of the game. You are going to be a high ticket provider. And I say that all the time. I want to make sure that I am giving you clarity around what that means. High ticket means that you are charging premium dollars for what you're providing. You are literally asking people to give you thousands of dollars, 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, $50,000 for use of your brain, for use of your intellectual property, for use of your talents and skills. And with that high price tag comes high expectations, right? Comes high expectation and the need for them to trust you and feel like you can do something for them. And you guys have had that experience before. You know, when you have worked with someone who is expecting you to do something that they themselves can't do. I just had this conversation with my son, my 16-year-old, a few of his football playing buddies. It was an intense conversation. I was listening to them and just kind of observing. And, they had this experience with a coach or a trainer. I'm not even sure who it is specifically, but he gets up in front of them and tells them they got to do all this stuff, these reps, and run back and forth and jog around and complete things in minutes. And they've never seen him do it. And they were joking about it. They're like, yeah, coach will say that, but he ain't going to do it. That is a reflection during our season, to be quite honest with you, right? Teams who do the best have firm belief and trust in their coach. And 9 times out of 10, your coach, whether it's at a football game, whether you're a football coach, an athletic coach, a leader, a CEO, whatever you're doing, people follow people that they feel have the right and have earned their trust and earned their credibility. And so credibility is key. And oftentimes your address when you are a business owner is an indication of that credibility. So you can't build credibility and authority without doing it. And I'm going to show you right now how you can build from home to professional business affordably, even if you still decide to keep your office at your kitchen table. Okay, so let's dive into this core professional toolkit, right? The image, the actual establishment of your business presence, right? You are going to have an online business presence, which is going to be your website. And then you're going to have an offline business presence, which is going to be your business address and your business phone and your business email. Those are the 3 biggest indicators of professionalism. You know it as well as I do. You get an email message from somebody from a professional perspective, and that email, they're talking about business, and it says at gmail.com on the end. I don't know about you, but I'm in a space where I'm literally thinking to myself, is this legit or is this a scam? If I click this link, will I get a big ass virus on my computer? Same thing for you as a business owner. Gmail.com instantly, in the minds of people that you are asking to give you money, it diminishes your credibility. So we got to make sure that your core professional toolkit is all set up. First, I want to start with your business phone. It is very easy to have a VoIP system. I have done a million videos on your business phone that actually is a business address. It can be a local number, it can be an 800 number, it can be both. That when customers or clients need to reach you, it actually goes out into a receptionist based system with extensions and it begins to put them out. And that entire system, that VoIP system, can show up inside of your cell phone, people. So you don't need to go out and buy an expensive phone system in order to have a professional business phone, image. And the links for all of the stuff that I'm talking to you guys about, by the way, today will be in the description below. My favorite toolkit for startup and growth stage entrepreneurs. Make sure that you check it out. You'll find out who I recommend for phone. You'll find out who I recommend for address. You'll find out who I recommend for email, all of the things above. But the business phone is the first one. Even if you think that no one's ever going to call you, you got to have a phone number. Because remember, that phone number that you establish, that this professional toolkit, this offline one that we're talking about, will be listed in your online professional, toolkit as well. So set up your business phone. I do recommend TalkRoute every single time because it's my favorite VoIP system and it's so cost effective and affordable, and you can text and you can do all the good things with it. Then we got to talk about this business address. And when you first set up your business, the natural thing for you to do is to probably use your home address. I have done a whole separate series of videos on why your home address is not a great idea. And because it is where most folks truly mess up. Listing your home address on business documents, don't do it. I mean, I just can't stress it enough. Don't do it. A real office address not only protects your privacy, and I've talked at length around having a business home address does more than just affect your credibility, but it affects your privacy. It can affect your liability. It can affect all kinds of things. So just make sure that you check out that other video. I'll go ahead and link it right here. And ultimately, you want to make sure that you've got a business address that isn't your home address, even if you are functioning out of your home. And the best way to do that, you guys have heard me talk about it before. If you're new here, you haven't heard, so you're hearing it now. And welcome, by the way, is to set up a virtual business office, right? Very, very different than a virtual business mailbox. Very, very different. Not a PO box, not some like box somewhere in a, UPS store, a virtual business office. And that basically means that you are utilizing an address that is set up in a professional business office space where people actually have brick and mortar offices. So they will have suite numbers, they have a reception area, they have conference rooms, they have all of those things, and you are renting an address space from that professional business office. So if someone Googles it, they will see a professional business. They will see a business office building with a parking lot, and it will be legit. And ultimately, you can even go a step further when you get this business office address and actually utilize the space eventually as you grow. Or if you've got important meetings, you can kind of rent out spaces and use it for just one-time use as well. And in order to get that professional business office address, then I totally recommend my favorite provider of all. And they have held this standing for a very long time. As you guys know, Alliance Virtual Offices. You get a professional business address, a professional business office address, phone answering, mail forwarding, even meeting rooms. You can do all kinds of stuff with Alliance Virtual Office to access it if you need to. But in the very beginning, very inexpensively, you are renting a professional virtual office space. And that is the best way to set up your business address. And that is the address that you want to make sure that you are putting everywhere on your business documents, on your registration, on your returning address, on your website, on your business cards, wherever you are putting your address, in your signature, in your email, all of the marketing assets that you have to create. You want to make sure that you've got this professional business address. And no overhead is involved with it. No long leases are involved with it. Just real presence for a real business, legit professional, even if you are working from home. No one is going to know when you get an Alliance Virtual Office address. So you got to make sure. Now, the other core piece of your professional toolkit besides the phone and the address is your business email. You guys know how I feel about it. Please don't use a gmail.com on the end. I just told you why. And I also recommend a provider. You can check it out in the link below that you can get your domain and set up unlimited business email accounts so that for you and your entire business as your business grows. And I've got videos here on the channel that walk more in depth and more detail specifically into the business email as well. So that is how you are going to set up your core professional toolkit, which is your space. You've got your online space. Remember your website, that's your online office. And now you've got a very professional image, even if you are working from your kitchen table or your kid's old bedroom. And it's very important. So looking professional is not about being flashy, and it does not have to be expensive, my love. It's about being prepared. It is about understanding the psychology and how marketing comes from a million different places when you are an expert based high ticket service provider. Clients, your clients, especially the ones who are paying big bucks, because that's ultimately where you want to be, they pay attention to the details. They pay attention to what your email address is. They pay attention to your domain and your website. They pay attention to your address and your phone number. And all of those things speak very loudly to them whether or not they should do business with you. Do not set yourself up from the very beginning for no's or objections or doubt simply because you didn't take the time to watch this video. Get your affordable solutions and set up your core professional toolkit. You don't need to spend a fortune to look like you're already making a fortune, my love, for sure. And I know that I mentioned it already, but if you want to dive even deeper, you want to work directly with me to get all of this set up in your business. And besides that, get everything set up from your market research to your ideal customer avatar to your website to your entire marketing strategy, creating content and launching your business, then you are going to want to join me in the CSB Club. So make sure that you check that out in the description below as well. But with that being said, my loves, it is time for you to professionalize your thing. Do your thing. Even if you're working from home, it's okay. You can set up that core toolkit. Good to go. Nobody gonna know that you're on your couch in your pajamas unless you tell them, and that's totally up to you. And until next time, my loves, I will see you really soon. Bye bye.